Well, hey there. Happy New Year. Alright guys, so it's been a couple weeks now. Done with vacation. As you can see behind me, the shelves are empty. I've taken down 2017. If you haven't seen my last video, check it out. Card will pop up here on the screen and you guys can see the entire 2017 pickup. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm starting out fresh, and 2018, we'll see what happens. We are here in the vault and you can see that these are the entire pickups for 2017. I'm gonna have to find some room. As you can see, like, my shelves are just building up, and then you guys know I got like a bunch of space that is not left. I got this area, my desk, my little area that I do YouTube, and then this entire thing. So we're looking to fill these up, I guess, again in 2018, but who knows. I do still have a list that I'm still trying to complete, and you guys know about that. I've, shared this with you guys for quite some time. I believe there's about 10 or 9 more pairs left that I need to cop. I'm not in a rush to get anything. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter to figure out like what exactly I do need, but I wanted to actually share one more pickup with you. And I know I noted in 2017 that the Cause 4 was going to be my last pickup of 2017, but we had one more that we needed to do, and that is the Air Jordan 6 green Gatorade. Alright, so the green Gatorade 6. Shout out to Jefferson for, keeping an eye out for me. Shout out to you. I'll put his information somewhere here or in the description below. But I was also able to purchase a green Gatorade at a location in San Diego. Actually, a House of Hoops in San Diego. So I actually got 2 pair, but one of them went to a buddy of mine in Hawaii. Always looking out for him. What's up, Floyd? But I didn't need 2 pairs, and I figure, I was able to, like, him and I have always been able to swap pairs out or, look out for deals and stuff like that. So I'm cool with him. He's a old forum buddy. But anyways, the green Gatorade 6. So here we go. These are pretty interesting pair. This is the only actual Gatorade that I wanted from the Jordan pack. So there's 4 colors of the ones. There's the white and orange Air Jordan 6 in a Carmine-inspired colorway, and then these green Gatorades. So let me go ahead and pop it open just so you guys can check it out. Oh, but first, the details of the box. You see the texture on that? The texture on the box? So the texture on the box is supposed to mimic the top of the Gatorade bottle cap. So if you guys haven't figured that out, that's what this is. So this is the lid. The green, or the Gatorade bottle has a lid, and this is the lid, and it says, "Be like Mike." Now what's cool about this is that it came with a towel. I was very surprised to be able to find this in the box. I thought this was a great addition to the whole package itself. So the towel has the Jumpman Air and then the Gatorade logo all up in there. The last time I remember towels being in Air Jordans is from the Air Jordan 18. So I know that release is going to be coming up soon. So we'll see if it comes with a towel, if it doesn't. But this was a great addition. Props, Jordan brand. So the reviews aren't really much the same unless I give you the overhead shot. So again, the Air Jordan 6 box, and then the details of the box label. We have the Air Jordan 6 Retro Energy Gatorade. Style number is AJ5986. Color code is 335 in pine green. And the suggested retail price is $225. Alright, so I already showed you the towel. Go ahead and get into the shoes. Actually, what do you think about that paper there? You got the condensation just like it would be on the water bottle itself, or on the Gatorade bottle itself. And then you got the shoes. So, again, the reason why I like this pair over the other and then the Air Jordan 1s is because I didn't have to collect all the ones. Just, you know, and the collector in me wants to get everything, but I didn't have to collect all the ones just to get a Gatorade inspired shoe. And also the Gatorade 6 and the white and orange. It just reminded me again too much of the Carmine 6. I know you guys on social media have been saying that, yeah, but it's a throwback or pays tribute to the Carmine 6. Well, why don't you just release the Carmine 6 to begin with? But I won't disagree. The white and the orange pair was pretty clean, but this is the actual one that I wanted. So, all green, hit of orange. The best part of this sneaker though, that Gatorade bottle inspired lace lock, I thought was dope. And I actually think that this whole package should have came with a Gatorade bottle. I know some places, maybe some like tier 0 accounts or something like that, came with a Gatorade bottle, but you know, there's a bunch of other things that I can come up with as far as marketing is concerned, where this would have probably elevated the whole packaging overall. Alright, so let's go ahead and take out the other shoe and remove the box. And you guys can see it comes with an extra pair of laces and a hang tag. I don't ever remember Jordan hang tags being on the Air Jordan 6, in particular to the OG. But again, it's like a green nubuck, green neoprene, green laces, orange hits. I like that Jordan brand made this a gloss and then the rest of the midsole in matte. I thought that was a really clean look. I think if it was all gloss, it wouldn't have mattered either way. Jumpman Air on the back, and then they didn't totally deck out the outsole in clear. They gave it a little bit of a smoky touch, and then the orange Jumpman right at the bottom, fantastic. The inside of the air bubble is green, and then on the back of the tongue you got "If I Could Be," just like the commercial, and it's like that on the other side as well. Then on the insole, if you take out the paper shoe tree, you have a Gatorade Thunderbolt at the bottom. Alright guys, and if you're still looking for this pair, I would probably say go true to size. I'm a true to size in Air Jordan 6s. Again, I think this is a fantastic colorway, fantastic drop. It's kind of weird how they actually made this into a holiday release, but I do like that they had a whole different inspiration apart from the Air Jordan 11, where Air Jordan 11s would typically be around the holiday time, and the Gatorade pack was just something that people can flourish to. So again, props to Jordan brand, props to Gatorade. Thank you guys for creating this whole package. Hope to see more packaging bits in 2018, and I'm looking forward to it. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Lock it in with a big thumbs up. You can follow me on all my social media on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at mjo23dan. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.